Hardware wallets are an important part of the blockchain ecosystem. When working with blockchains, they provide security and utility. Here's why you should get one if you don't already have one. Keep your valuables secure, even if your computer isn't. Hardware wallets provide a higher level of security against cyberattacks, phishing sites, and viruses. A hardware wallet can work on many blockchains at the same time. This enables you to handle Ethereum and alternative coins, Bitcoin, Lumens, and other cryptocurrencies on the same device. All of them can be readily backed up with a simple recovery word. To learn more about crypto and latest news, join us by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to like the video. A hardware wallet, often a tiny plug-in device, is a portable key that allows you to access your crypto assets securely from anywhere. Many apps can log you in using a hardware wallet, eliminating the need to establish fresh accounts. You can even log in to regular applications like Google and Facebook using them. Trading platforms like Radar Relay let you trade straight from your hardware wallet. Because you always own your tokens, this is the safest way to exchange digital assets. The assets trade directly from your wallet instead of being put in an exchange wallet. This saves you time by avoiding deposit delays and withdrawal costs. Private keys are the key. Cryptocurrencies are never held inside the hardware wallet, but rather on the blockchain. Your private key is only stored in the hardware wallet. That private key unlocks the lock to your blockchain address, where your assets are stored. Because the blockchain is everywhere, your hardware wallet is all you need to interact with your tokens. Hardware wallets are dual purpose. They protect your private keys. Hardware wallets are sometimes called cold storage since they separate your private keys from the internet, reducing the possibility of your assets being compromised in an online attack. They enable you to sign and confirm blockchain transactions. You are signing a message when initiating a blockchain transaction. Your signature verifies that you possess your private key. Because it is impossible to fake this signature without the key, no one else can act on your behalf without it. A PIN and an optional passcode protect your private keys stored on the hardware wallet. If a thief obtains your hardware wallet, it is almost impossible for them to extract your keys. The keys are never accessible via the internet, making them impossible to steal. That is why it is referred to as cold storage. A single seed phrase protects your hardware wallet's assets in the event of theft. A seed phrase, also known as a recovery phrase, is a string of words that are used to regenerate your private key. You may transfer your keys to a new hardware wallet by using your seed phrase. Ledger makes two different wallet types. 1. Ledger Nano S. 2. Ledger Nano X. The Nano S has quickly become one of the most popular crypto hardware wallets on the market. However, it only has enough memory to run 3 programs at once. Users who wish to work with more than 3 cryptocurrencies will have to delete and reload new programs several times. While the Nano X is an updated version of the Nano S, both wallets are compatible with the Ledger Live app and perform similarly. On the other hand, the Nano X offers a few more capabilities and can store many more crypto applications at once. While the Nano S can only run 3 to 7 applications simultaneously, the Nano X can run up to 100. While every wallet is a little different, using them is pretty similar. Connect the device to your computer and enter your PIN to unlock it. Create a transaction on Radar and then confirm it on the device's screen. Rest assured, your keys aren't in danger. A Ledger wallet for digital currencies may be used to store cryptocurrency safely. Cold storage is regarded as the highest level of blockchain security. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to the channel.